Annyeonghaseyo! I am Bingay, your K-Chingo Oma from Taguig, a fan of anything K-culture. Lalo-lalo, I am also a curious K-foodie. So for today's video, I am grateful to be part of the founding taster of Hana Ramyeon. Today, we are going to try Red Snow Crab Ramen. Ayan. With all the challenges that we are facing or experiencing lately, no? So, ang gusto lang naman natin is a bowl of flavorful and comforting ramen. So, tara, samahan nyo ako. So, I have here, of course, Hana Ramyeon's Red Snow Crab Ramen and some additions para sa ating ramyeon. Cup, measuring spoon, syempre ang ating bowl. Yan. So, tara, dito na tayo. So, ayan, dito na tayo sa exciting part, ang tikiman time. Habang mainit pa, tikman na natin ang Hana Ramyeon Red Snow Crab Ramen. Ayan, ang noodles hindi siya sagi, no? Kasi kung ano yung nasa packaging instructions, sinunod naman natin. And usually, ganoon naman talaga yung noodles ng Korean ramen. Ayan, hindi siya spicy for me. Nung ginadagyan natin ng crab sticks, mas lalo pa niyang na-enhance yung kanyang crab na flavor, no? Ayun lang. 정말 맛있어요. 감사합니다 for watching. 안녕.